So here's where we left off. You remember this little drawing here? Looks like a snail. All right, I'm going to do Control or Command A. And then I'm going to hit the delete key. Notice there's nothing on the stage anymore. If I hit the space key, I can drag this where I want it. And then if I want to center it, I hit this. So there's my stage. I have my toolbox again. And let's draw something with a pencil tool. As you remember, pencil is controlled in color by this stroke box. So now I have looks like a little bit of a blue color, and I'm going to use ink. And I'm going to say stroke size. I'm going to look over here. See this? Stroke size. Let's say we're going to do 4 pixels. Or I could have just dragged this. And I don't want that. I want just straight ahead. Normal scale. Good. These are what the ends do. You don't need to know. I've never used any of this stuff. Haha. Smoothing. I can make it smooth. But that would be, I would have to use this one. Smooth, and then I get to determine what the smoothing is. That means if I draw something, it smooths it out. Did you see that? There you go. So, I'm going to change color. Change color again. Now, let's go to our selection tools. I have this selection tool. And I drag, these are little pieces. They're little chunks. Now watch when I use the other selection tool. Sub-selection tool. So this is what happens on vector-based things. I click this and I see all the points. If you've ever used a tool that has a Bezier curve, like this pen tool that's in there, see this? This has Bezier curves on it. You take it, you drag it, and it's got handles. So if you want to be really precise, you can change things with the Bezier curve. I click, pull, now it's got handles. Pretty cool, right? Same with this. It's just fun to do some of this stuff. Okay? When I do Control minus from the upper keys, Control plus brings it in. Now, I'm going to do Control A, which highlights everything, and I'm going to get rid of it again. So you see, each one of these tools is a straight line tool. I can play with that. I can sub-selection. If I do the actual selection tool, see this little semicircle? That means that I can take this line and drag it. So there's so many little wonderful things that you can do with these tools, and you just have to play with them to find out.